Hi guys, today I'm making Eggless Jam Tart or Hungarian Tart. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all your support. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. In a large bowl, add in your softened butter, sugar, baking powder and vanilla and mix it together until smooth and creamy. Then add in the flour 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Continue to mix until no dry flour remains and it forms a soft but not sticky dough. Remove 1/3 of the dough and shape it into a ball. Place it onto a piece of cling film, wrap it tightly and place it into the freezer. Grease a 24-hole mini muffin pan and add about 1 tablespoon of dough into each hole, then spread it out slightly. Use your thumb to make an indent in the middle of each piece of dough. This will make sure the jam doesn't run over when baking. Add half a teaspoon of jam into each hole. I'm using strawberry, apricot, and raspberry. Remove the dough from the freezer and remove the cling film. Then grate it onto a plate. Use about a teaspoon of the dough and encase the jam. Spread it out and flatten it slightly. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool. When it's cool enough to handle, use a butter knife to remove each one and place it onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Add the optional dusting of icing sugar, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!